How to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you a secret tricks that you can apply in order to hide any apps on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to hide any apps, go ahead and press and hold any empty area from your home screen, and once you do that, you'll get to see the few different options will pop up. Now all you have to do is just need to go and tap on the settings option at the bottom right. Now once you're here inside the home screen settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and you'll get to see the option hide apps on home screen and app screen. You just need to go ahead and tap on these, and it's going to show you all the app that you have on your device. And now simply go ahead and select the app that you want to hide. So let's say I'm going to hide the Facebook, for example. You can do it multiple if you want to, and once you do that, the app icon will be added to the hidden apps icon. He'll get to see it's showing with the minus icon, so that means it has been added. And once you're done adding the app inside the hidden apps, you just need to tap on done, and that specific app will be hidden from your phone. If I get back from here, you'll get to see the Facebook has been gone from here, and also if I go to the app library and search for Facebook here, you'll get to see the Facebook is not available. And after doing this, if you want to unhide this, you just need to go to the same place, to the settings, go to the hide apps and home screen apps, and now to unhide, you'll get to see the minus icon. You just need to go and tap on these. This will be unhide, and you just need to tap on this done button here. And once you do that, and the Facebook will get back to your app library. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.